Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Babydoge on Solana token. So their Twitter, I'm going to put on the screen right here so you guys can easily find the project I'm talking about. At Sol Babydoge on Twitter. This is a brand new project and we're going to go over the information on the Babydoge on Sol token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is a brand new project here on the Solana blockchain. So it says Babydoge coin's all-time high actually occurred in January of 2022, reaching a market capitalization of around 300 million. And then it has a link to their webpage right there on their Twitter. You can see that bdogesol.xyz. And they have their Telegram link there as well, which is at Babydoge Sol A on Telegram. Their Twitter just joined in February 2024. That's how brand new this project is. Only 4 tweets so far. 112 followers. In their tweet from 1 hour ago, you can see that they have their contract address linked on in their most recent tweet and a DEX tools chart. So if you want to see how this token is doing, that's how you would find it, is on that DEX tools chart, or in their other tweets as well. They also have a DEX screener chart there. So yeah, brand new token on the Solana blockchain. Now, how would you get this token? You would get this token, you can get it in a couple different ways. First of all, if you go over to their webpage, bdogesol.xyz, you'll see a bunch of partners. So they have DEX tools, Raydium, SolScan, Twitter, Telegram, and CoinMarketCap. So you can find them listed on CoinMarketCap. You can find them on DEX Tools, DEX Screener. They just got listed today, actually, on a listing site here, ntm.ai. So that they just listed them. Their link here says brand new project. Sol Babydoge trending today on ntm.ai. So they're probably listed on some other listing sites as well. But yeah, so brand new project here. And their Telegram is at Babydoge Sol A and has 60 subscribers. You could preview the channel. So that social is just kind of starting out. But yeah, you can find all these links on their webpage. So how you'd get this token is, first of all, you need a wallet like a Phantom wallet or a Coinbase, Coin98, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, any wallet that holds Sol. Fund that wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the Babydoge token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, which is linked right here on the Twitter, bdogesol.xyz, or you can find it on their SolScan, which is also linked on their webpage. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll go over that. Now, besides Raydium, you'll probably be able to get this token also on Jupiter, and then maybe Orca. So there's a few different ways, but definitely Raydium because that's one of their partners. And then they also have a Buy Now button on their webpage that's going to take you straight over to Raydium as well. So Babydoge, the lovable canine-inspired meme coin, has charmed its way into the hearts of crypto enthusiasts worldwide. Born from the playful spirit of the internet memes and community-driven ethos, Babydoge offers a refreshing take on the cryptocurrency landscape with its adorable mascot and catchy tagline, Babydoge, the coin of the people. It has quickly amassed a dedicated following. What sets Babydoge apart is it's not just a cute appeal, but it's a commitment to philanthropy and innovative tokenomics. Join the Babydoge movement, and it shows you on their webpage, in case you didn't understand what I said, how to even create a phantom wallet and then buy Sol, connect to Raydium, and then swap for the token. So if you're not sure how I explained it, just go to their webpage, bdogesol.xyz, and there's a better explanation there in long form. They also have a roadmap, the road for Babydoge. Learn about our path, starting with Phase 1, the beginning phase, create the fair launch, heavy marketing, launch on Raydium, CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listings, 500 plus holders. Phase 2, vibing time. And then we got launch, DEX tools, CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listings, 500 plus holders, Twitter influencers. Phase 3, the takeover phase. AveDex listing, AveDex trending top number 1, 1,500 holders, Babydoge to the moon. So they have a contact email at the bottom of their webpage if you need to contact somebody. Contact at Babydoge Sol. Now they have their chart here on DEX tools. It says right now their market cap is $129,950. So they're kind of just starting out here. Current supply of this token is 998,797,748.53 tokens. Name of the token is, according to their Sol scan here, is Baby and then space Dogecoin, and then ticker symbol is Babydoge, all one word. 9 decimal places on this token. They have $20,480 in locked, no, it doesn't say locked actually, I'm not sure if it is locked, in liquidity on Raydium. And it says only 304 holders so far. They have 70.57 pooled Sol in Raydium, which is equivalent to 111.22 million Babydoge tokens. And they have a quick audit here by Quick Intel on DEX tools. And it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, cannot modify tax, and no other risks. Now keep in mind, that is just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. You should always wait for full audits to review them. But yeah, you can see the chart on DEX tools. You can get this token off Raydium. Go check it out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about Babydoge on Solana? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.